good morning to all of you. My name is Mahima Khandel. I study class 6th. I am learning spoken English in Vision Academy, Khirkiya. His director name is Mr. Sudhir Rathore sir. I am going to tell about my best friend. Now, my best friend name is Miss Kanak Rajput. She is very beautiful girl and she is very smart girl. She is 12-year-old. She study class 6th. She is very intelligent girl. She likes to eat pani puri, but she dislike to eat pizza. She likes to wear frock and jeans top, but she dislike to wear shorts dress. She likes to watch movie, but she dislikes to watch news and cartoon. His hobby is dancing and singing. She always speaks truth. She read in my class. His father name is Mr. Mukesh Rajput and his mother name is Mrs. Priyanka Rajput. There are two younger sisters. His sister name is Miss Niyati Rajput and his younger sister name is Miss क्या था
She does not like to eat bitter gourd vegetable.